So, unboxing Nike Air Force Ones. Now, I'm 42 years old and I was around 90s when things like these and many other trainers came out, and yet this is my first ever Air Force One. I don't know why, just there it is. So, Nike Air Force One. This is the 07 style model, which I like. I don't know why the air on the side tends to be like a coloured instead of just the same colour as the sole. So what that means, LV8 J22s, and you'll see why all that is there. Wolf grey, white cool grey version. Size 13 US, UK size 12, and I'm in the UK, so size 12 is correct for me because I've got a big ass foot. So Nike Air Force One on the front there in silver. So looking forward to this. I've took them out of the cardboard box, the packaging, the postal packaging, but I've not yet opened this up, so I might back it up a little bit, get a bit more view. So here we go. These looked absolutely sick online, really nice. And we'll see. Pull them out. So, oh yeah, these look nice and clean. Nice cool grey colour, not like a dark grey. So I'm going to pull these out. I'll pull both of them. Get rid of the box for now. As you look at those look stunning. Really, I like Nike. They tend to be really higher quality compared to other brands. And there's no exceptions here. Whether it's real leather or not, I really don't care. Get a nice sort of a tumble look on the toe there. Nice smooth look. That's actually embroidered tick. You see that? Like embroidered tick in orange. And the 07 versions, this bit would normally be all the same colour as all this here, but the 07s tend to have this bit coloured. I don't know if there's any other difference. There probably is some, but I just liked the look of the 07s, so I might get a few pairs in the future of the 07s because I don't know, I like the look of them. So the major point to this one obviously is the cool grey on the medium dark grey, but it's the swoosh or the tick. This is like an embroidered weave, almost like carbon fibre weave, but obviously with like a mesh material. You'll see that well. And that's what I liked. I thought, well, you know what, I like the colour anyway, and then it was just something a little different with the Nike tick or the swoosh. Everything else, cool grey, everything else. We've got Nike Air on the back. And as I said, these are my first ever Nike Air Maxes. But yeah, I mean, the other side, shoe, still got the swoosh on the inside as well. Which doesn't always happen. Sometimes you only have them on the one side, but they've got both on this one. As I say, tag on the back, just your general. It's got something on the toes, a little different. Very nice. Another little tick there. Overall, real nice. Thick lower. I know they come higher than the thickness they actually are. I've seen people actually cut these in half, which is some of my favourite channels. Nike. Looks a decent amount of tread there. Nothing overly amazing, nothing too deep, but very nice all the same. And the air is apparently in this piece here. So I'm going to put these on feet and see what they look like, and hopefully in a couple of days, or I'll be out doing a bit of shopping or something, and put these on and start breaking them in a bit. So let's go and have a look what these look like on feet.